Today we are looking at the Black Series Darth Vader helmet. So obviously it's Darth Vader's helmet, the Black Series. They make pretty high quality helmets and whatnot and props, and I'm excited to see how this thing functions. And well, I'm just going to list it off real quick. It has realistically detailed interior and exterior, movie accurate assembly, authentic multi-piece helmet with adjustable fit, and magnetic connection points between the pieces. So I'm gonna rip the box. I'm gonna take the liberty to open this up, and I'm opening it from the bottom. So if you want to do this at home, if you want to open it with me, well, you can do that. It comes with a stand too, and oh my gosh. So we have this little piece that I don't even know. I guess it's part of the collar. No, that's the stand, I think. So let's get to the mask itself. We have the hood, which is huge. I'm gonna set that over here. We have the mask itself, which is big. Let's see the quality of it. Oh yeah. Oh, that is. Smells, wow. There it is. The Darth Vader helmet. We have the interior. That's pretty nice. Now, let's get into the contents. And I will be right back.
Come on, maggots. It's on! So, I have successfully put on the Darth Vader helmet. This thing is heavy as can possibly be. Oh shoot, it went back. So, this has been the Black Series Darth Vader mask. I'm Job with history and reviews.